Take the two pieces of the face frame, put them together so that the notches meet up in the middle. Fasten them together using the predetermined holes on the inside lip of the face frame. Locate your side panels and attach metal clips so they are even with the notches. Slide your bottom panel into place using the grooves. Make sure it is flush with the back of the panel and fasten it down using the metal clip. Do the same thing for the top panel as well. After the top and bottom panels are attached to the cabinet, go ahead and slide the other side panel into place using the grooves. Once in place, fasten it down using metal clips. Attach the two side panels together using the predetermined holes on the back end of the cabinet. Now attach the shelf clips to the inside of the cabinet. Slide your shelf into the clips. Take your face frame and apply wood glue to the grooves on the inside of the face. Place it onto the cabinet. Make sure the two side panels as well as the top and bottom panels slide into the grooves on the face frame. Fasten the face frame to the cabinet using the predetermined holes on the front of the two side panels. Attach one metal clip to each side of the face frame on the bottom of the cabinet. Locate your toe kicks and slide them into place using the dowels located at the top of the toe kicks. Once complete, attach two metal clips to each piece of the toe kick. Place the door face down and set each hinge into place. Line up the corresponding screw holes on the door with the corresponding holes on the hinge. Secure the hinges to the door with 2 medium screws per hinge. Line up the corresponding holes on the hinges with the corresponding holes on the face frame and fasten them down using 1 large screw each. On the top panel of the cabinet, fasten 1 metal clip to each side of the face frame.